From the years of 2011 to 2016, there have been over 8.6 million sports-related injuries in the United States alone, and that number is only increasing. Hello, my name is Caroline Griffin, and I'm a freshman at Bridgewater College. I'm a health and exercise science major studying to become an athletic trainer. And you're watching Info-Fo-Yo. This is the show where every week we pick a new topic to inform you guys about. Info-Fo-Yo. Today we are here to talk about the importance and advantages of athletic trainers before, during, and after both competition and practice. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's just start off with the basics. There are many misconceptions of what athletic training really is. Some people think that it's not even a real medical field, and that an athletic trainer will simply just hand out an ice pack and call it a day. So what is athletic training really? Well, according to the National Athletic Trainers Association, athletic training, quote, encompasses the prevention, examination, diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitation of emergent, acute, or chronic injuries and medical conditions, end quote. So basically, athletic trainers can help from anything from preventative medicine, like ice and tape, to chronic game day injuries, such as broken bones, torn ligaments, or concussions. Let's talk about why these medical professionals are so vital, not only during a game or practice, but also before and after as well. Athletic trainers help with preventative medicine. This can include taping injuries or sore muscles, or helping an athlete stretch out before a game or practice. Athletic trainers also help develop training programs to strengthen weaker parts of an athlete to prevent future injury. An example of this might be designing a workout that specifically targets and strengthens a swimmer's shoulder, so that they do not hurt it in the future. Preventative medicine is vital to help athletes play longer in the season, have a longer career in general, and prevent future injury. Athletic trainers are important in all sports, but they are essential in high-contact sports such as football and men's lacrosse. Athletic trainers need to be present for both games and practices so that they can assess injuries and determine whether athletes should continue practicing or playing in the game due to the severity of their injury. They also give emergency care if needed. According to the Head Case Company, an organization dedicated to researching and studying concussions and the brain, 4 to 5 million concussions happen every year, and this number is rising among middle school athletes. This number is huge, so it is vital that an athletic trainer is there to offer support in this situation. It is vital so that these injuries do not go undiagnosed and unreported, which could lead to bigger problems in the future. Athletic trainers are just as important during practice as they are during the game. Statistics show that in college and high school athletes, just 42% of concussions happen during the game, whereas 58% of concussions happen during practice. This shows an obvious need for an athletic trainer to be present at practice, as well as a game. Additionally, athletic trainers do rehab for athletes who have been seriously injured in a game or in practice. They monitor the injury, help them with it, help them strengthen that area, as well as other rehabilitation treatments. They make sure that when the athlete is ready and it is safe, that they return to games and practice as soon as possible. They create specific plans for each individual athlete to help them recover as quickly and as safely as possible. This is why athletic trainers are so important after the game, not only before and during. Athletic trainers do many important things to help athletes stay safe and healthy while they are training and competing in sports. They not only help prevent injuries, but also help athletes recover from injuries as small as a muscle sprain to as large as a torn muscle. They provide first aid and emergency care when needed, and they are always available at practices and games to make sure everything runs smoothly. Athletic trainers are important for all sports, before, during, and after games and practices. This has been Info-Fo-Yo. My name is Caroline Griffin, and thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next Friday.